From the East Coast, California snow. You couldn't handle all the winter and the snow. So there's a lot of things you're trying to do. If you play your cards right, I might be your tour guide in the city. I might be, we might be riding around on a Segway. I can be a tour guide. I can be a tour guide. I can be a tour guide. Show you around. You know I can be a tour guide. I can show you around. There's like 100 towns in the city, so it might take a while, but not to worry, 'cause I know all the best spots, not the bougie places with the $100 rooftops. I might be a tour guide in the city. I might be, we might be riding around on a Segway. I can be a tour guide. I can be a tour guide. I can be a tour guide. Show you around. You know I can be a tour guide. I can be a tour guide. I can be a tour guide. Show you around.
Hi.
Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under this subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that yeah, who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder nigga, they can't match that Louis V scarf or I'm chilling with a dad hat. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features.
Good morning, guys. So we're running a little tight on schedule. It is 9:40 right now. My class starts at 10. Even though I haven't gotten an email from my professor with the Zoom class info password thing, I don't know. So we'll see if that's actually happening. Good morning, Stanley. Hi, Remy. So I could have sworn I had class today at 10. Turns out I don't. I emailed the professor just to like make sure because I wrote it down in my planner, so I thought I had class. And I asked him and he just responded with no. And that was the email. So I do have class at 12 though, so I have some extra time. I'm gonna sit outside, drink some tea, enjoy the nice weather, which, speaking of, I am actually partnering with SipSpy to bring you guys this video. SipSpy is a tea subscription box and I am obsessed with it. I get so excited when this box arrives. So basically what you do is you go on their website and you can fill out all of your preferences, what you like, what you dislike. Each month they curate a box for you and they put together a bunch of cool teas, and you can go back onto their website once you've tried all of them and rate them so they can curate a even better box for you for the next month. So this is what it looks like, and this is all of the tea that I got for my April box. Hi, Paisley. It comes with a tea card, and on the back of this it just describes all of the different teas that you get, and these are all the teas that I have for this month. So they put together a bunch of different flavors, and there's this tea drop which I've never heard of before, but I'm super excited to try that. But it's just a fun way to try out new teas and like new flavors and new brands and stuff like that. So I'm gonna leave all of SipSpy information in the down bar below for you guys to go check out. But yeah, make sure you go check them out. Shout out to SipSpy. Thank you so much. I'm like so obsessed. I have my tea right here, so I'm gonna enjoy my tea outside because it's so nice out. So normally I would clean my room when I get up, but I thought I had class at 10, so I didn't because I thought I didn't have time, but I didn't have class, obviously, you guys know. So I'm gonna clean my room right now before my class at 12.
Darling,